Yo, girl, she with the move, she going to the top. She gon' twerk, twerk, twerk. Then she turned around and
Thank you very much, Bass.
Eto na ang
ATM with the Bass. At ito na po ang pambansang Bay, Alden Richards.
twerking like Miley. Twerking like Miley. Twerking like Miley.
Good afternoon, Miss B.
Hello.
Good afternoon, Paul. Good afternoon, mga Lamergans!
Alden, bago so muna i-congratulate ang Aldab Nation for the
Yes.
award that they got.
Of course, would like to congratulate po, of course, Kuya Jose, Kuya Wally, and Kuya Paulo for the Stars of Walk of Fame. Si Maine,
And
congratulations.
congratulations to you too
Thank you po,
also.
thank you po, and congratulations, Aldab Nation! Meron na tayong star! Ayan, pasensya na po kung hindi po ako nakapunta. Kailangan ko po magpa-check up sa doktor kasi I was recovering from cough and colds. Pero thank you so much po sa lahat ng pumunta at sumuporta sa amin. Kuya Germs, Tay, maraming salamat po for the opportunity. And to other Kapuso stars, congratulations. Pero ang the best talaga, Aldab Nation, may star na tayo!
Pwede mo na talagang sabihin, sorry ka na.
Grabe siya.
Sorry ka na.
Isa ka ng ganap na star.
Yes.
Literally.
Literal, may start ka.
Pero well-deserving talaga ang Aldab Nation for all the
Well-deserved.
support that they've been
Correct.
giving. Maraming salamat po at congratulations at
At eto na, of course, deserve din ng mga Dabarcats natin dito sa studio, mga papremyo. Eto na ang mga bass na may dalang aginaldo para sa inyo.
Twerking like Miley.
That's my baby John.
That's my babe, Joel.
that's my babe JV.
That's my baby Tommy.
And that's my babe, Kim. Long hair. Anong paki mo sa long hair ko?
And our dance instructor for the day, that's my babe grand winner, Kenneth.
Are you ready to group Dabarcats? Thank you po! Go, Miss B! Go, Miss B!
Let's look at your babe pose. Patingin nga ng beautiful eyes.
Beautiful eyes.
Start twerking like Miley.
Yan o.
Twerking like
Teka. Merong hindi nagpapahuli dun sa gilid.
Ay, baby, Baste. Beautiful eyes.
Baste,
Beautiful
beautiful
eyes.
eyes.
Beautiful eyes. Pipili po tayo ng tatlo.
Parang napuwing lang ah.
twerking like Miley.
Hold that pose.
Nice one.
Uy, nasa bulutan pa.
Dalawa pa.
Ayan.
What? Ay, oh. It's
Ready?
you. Baba na po dito and one more. What?
Hello. Pangalan.
Hi.
Taga saan si First?
Taga Paranaque.
Si First, pili ka na ng Bay.
Ito naman, ate, ano pangalan? Lois. Taga saan si Lois? Liches! From Nova Liches. Alright, William Bay.
And our last contestant, nasa na siya?
Last contestants.
Ayan na siya.
Ayan,
Come on
si-
over. Nasa-shy
Dito
pa
po,
siya ng
dito po.
very light.
Hinihingal pa siya.
Hello. Merry
Breathe
Christmas
in,
po.
breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. What is your name?
Charmaine.
Oh, Charmaine, how are you?
I'm okay.
Taga saan po?
Taga Manila, pero kasama ko Aldab Major Natics.
Hey, batiin mo muna sila.
Hello, Aldab Major Natics. Pampanga chapter, Tarlac chapter, Manila chapter, Cainta chapter, Basta Natics officials.
Yes, congratulations. Meron na tayong star. Pili ka na ng Bay.
Pick your Bay.
Narito. Oh, that's my Bay dyan.
Alright.
Okay, pili pa tayong dalawa. Music!
Okay, let's see your catching si Bay.
Gawin mo na maayos yan, ah.
All twerking like
Pogi pa rin ba? Pogi pa rin eh.
Ano ba yan?
Ba't ganun?
Twerking like Miley.
O, pati na naman ni Baby Baste.
Panoching. 1, 2, achoo! Ay, iba yung kanya. Totoo talaga eh.
Mukhang true to life yun.
Twerking
ah.
like Miley.
Achoo! Pili po tayong dalawa. Hold that pose, mga Dabber
All
Cats.
twerking like Miley.
One
Ang
more.
cute naman.
Hold your poses. Aba, that's it. Iba.
Wait, Max.
Come on down. Very demure.
Alright. Hello.
Hi.
Ay. Merry Christmas. Pangalan?
Ann.
Taga saan si Ann?
From Pampanga.
Ay, Ann. Pili ka na ng Bay. Gusto mo? Sige, sure. Selfie daw muna si Ann.
Ayun, dalawa lang.
Parang ikaw
Sigurado
lang
kung
yun.
gusto niya kayong dalawa lang. Oh, nakataas pa yung paa, oh.
Thank you.
Eto pa.
Ay!
Parang panalo na eh.
Anong pangalan?
Fans po.
Bakit ka sumisigaw ng ganyan?
Oh my God, idol ko po talaga.
Taga saan si Franz?
Muntinlupa pa po.
Sige, Franz. Pili ka na ng Bay. Sino natira? Si
Kim!
Kim.
Okay.
Okay, ito na. Kompleto na ating mga contestants. Let us reveal the prizes.
All twerking like Miley.
That's my Bay, Kim.
From Kim, 3,000 pesos plus Noche Buena package.
All
Next.
twerking like Miley.
That's my Bay, Tommy.
Twerking like
Oh, at may sorpresa Magnolia 90-year celebration. Mag-celebrate. Magnolia celebrate goodness every day.
Okay, that's my Bay, Joel. Ano yan? Regalo. 5,000 pesos at meron kang gift pack mula sa Nescafe 3-in-1 Original Twin Pack. Ang masarap na Twin Pack back-to-back at only 9 pesos. That's my Bay, John.
John. Uy, 4,000 pesos plus.
Gift back from 2-in-1 Tusaran. Basta ubo at sipon, isa lang ang solusyon.
JB, ano naman yan?
twerking like Miley. Twerking like
2,000 pesos at meron kang regalo mula sa Fiesta Spaghetti Firm. Kaya sulit i-share ang sarap ng fiesta.
twerking like Miley.
Okay,
Punta na
kompleto
tayo
na.
sa jackpot round.
Punta na tayo sa jackpot round at isa pang ATM. Ang tenga mo.
All twerking
Paano ba
like
ito gagawin?